Hey, what it do, man? It's the one and only Luther, and today's video is about me taking a cruise in my 1975 Buick LeSabre custom convertible. My car's been sitting in the garage for, say, 2, maybe 3 months now, so I think it's about time to pull it out, let it warm up, and just ride around the neighborhood. Yeah, man, y'all know what's going on, man. Y'all know what is going on. The one and only Luther with my babies. This here, man. This is the brand, man. YouTubing it, man. It's all around the car, so when they see that car, they know. Put it in the search bar. Click subscribe. Follow, like, share, comment, all that, all the above. This is my baby right here. Candy red paint, candy apple red paint, candy apple red top on the drop. Who else y'all know got a candy apple red top? This is a vert, not a coupe hard top. It's a coupe soft top. You understand me? Yeah. Y'all hear that motor? Yeah, I'm running. Yeah, that ain't stock right there. I'm running. Now let me stop playing. I ain't racing. This ain't Dunk Master or Blue Magic or any of them other Florida to South Carolina and all the other states that do racing. Man, this is just me cruising, man. I got the kids in the car. And I'm only cruising around the neighborhood, you understand me? Because obviously I don't have my car seat in there for my 1-year-old. Have life or no life, man. Just making a quick cruise, man. Just taking a quick cruise. Not making, but taking around the neighborhood, man. This is my hood. Hey, y'all heard that? Gunshot. Shit. Yeah, nah, I'm just fucking with y'all. This the hood right here, man. This is my hood. I grew up around gunshots and all that other stuff, and now it's quiet. I ain't in no mansion. We ain't in no 300K, 400K, 500K and up. So, South Texas, 300K, 400Ks, and now it's a nice-ass house. And in California or New York or somewhere, that's a little bitty ass, probably 800 square foot apartment. Slab life or no life, man. I'm still about that, man. I be thinking about putting 26s, 28s or something on the car, but for what, man? I'm addicted to this, man. This is for real. This is a lifestyle, not a hobby, man. You understand me? I'm gonna ride on them Pokemons forever. I might get a pair of 26s for another car, but I'm gonna ride on Pokemons forever. Take it low. Lay low. I see what's going on. Sad life, you know, like, just continue up there. Follow that. Y'all see the swingers in that rearview mirror? Ooh, killing them. It's another day of cruising, man. Just cruising around the city. riding around today, man. Just a simple ride around through the neighborhoods by my house. Let's That's it. We ain't doing too much. Turn the music off because I don't need no copyrighted content. I don't feel like going through there. I already had to remove a song at least 3 times, so today just gonna be a regular day of cruising. Then y'all hear that engine, man. That 350 Chevy 350, Vortex heads, lifters, mild cam. Hear that bad boy getting up. Car been sitting in the garage for 2 months. Take it out, start it right up. First time. That's when you know you had some good motor work did, man. Replaced the motor, I replaced the transmission on there. Man, if you watch any other videos, you would know I did all that already, so. It's another dead end spot. I like to get out. Pop this hood up before y'all. Floop, floop. Running, man. Running. That, when I say running, I don't mean that racetrack, all the other stuff them dudes be doing. I'm just talking about it solid. Like I can go from A to Z, not just to B. Understand me? Normally, man, when it rains, there'd be water all right there where you see that little sand at, all the way up to right there. Look like it's gonna rain later on tonight. These houses around here, man, I need to step my game up. See that right there in California, probably about 1.2 mil. Down here, that's probably about 500K. South Texas. There go. Gotta shut them doors hard on the old school, man. This ain't no new car. Let me put my seatbelt on just in case a hater drive by. There we go. We are licensed and insurance, so we ain't worried about none of it. Even with a gun on me, I got a license to carry. Anyways, in Texas, you can have your vehicle as a part of your house. So you can have it in a car anyways without a license. Focus on it, man. Focus. There we go. About these rims, man, if you're an amateur to them, you gotta know distance, man. You gotta know distance, because when the rims poke out so far and you get too close to another car, you're gonna hit something and you're gonna F them rims up. So you gotta know about how wide your car is. Like my car is probably like 8 foot 6 inches from that cut off on me. Battery had died, I had to swap batteries. I said my rim is probably from rim to rim, and my car is probably about 8 foot 6 inches. From the corner of the rim to the other corner. Just making a quick video, man. Just letting y'all hear how it run, how it sound. Y'all can listen to that. Did dual out the exhaust. I only had a single exhaust on there, so we dualed out the exhaust. But 40 series Flowmaster. So man, that made it sound so good. But nothing, shit, nothing too much. Sound like I might have hit my rim a little bit. That's why you gotta watch out. Doing too much driving, not paying attention. I ain't even gonna edit that out, man. You gotta get it all. The good come with the bad, like I said before. Man, I can't show y'all all good and I show y'all no bad. I'm just glad my damn belts and nothing like that is squeaking anymore. I fixed that. I might have hit too deep of a dip in the road. I only got probably like an inch gap between my rim and my fender, the way my car squats in the back. So I'm pretty sure I hit a pretty good little dent in the road, and that's what caused it right there to hit. You gotta be careful with that, because that's how you get a bent spoke, man, on these swingers. You end up hitting something, or your fender hits your rim, you end up bending your spoke. But you'll know when you bend it though, because that ride will be horrible. You have a lot of shaking there. With these rims, you're gonna have shake anyways, but normally you good until like 55, 60 miles per hour. And then from there, it'll start shaking for at least, I say about to 65, and then it smooths out after that. It won't shake no more after that. You can go 80, 90 miles per hour. These rims, man, you gotta check them constantly. I mean, at least once out of the week, you gotta check the lug nuts, man, make sure that they're on, because I had one come off before. So an impact, or if you're hitting it with a four-way, that's not enough, man. You gotta torque these rims. You want it to about 115 to 120 PSI. You want to torque them down. You don't torque them, I'm telling you, they're gonna come off, man. They're gonna keep getting loose. I've been having swingers since about 2008. I'm gonna tell y'all, they still gonna get loose, man. Ever since I started torquing mine, I say about in the beginning of 2019, end of 2018, I ain't had one get loose yet. Not one. About time to put the baby up, man. I'm finna head to this house, man. Y'all see advertisement all over this car, man. When I come through, they know it's the one and only Luther. I don't know if I'm gonna make that. That's kind of close gap. I think I'm gonna turn this way. Yeah, that's a little bit too close for me. Should have turned on the 20-inch TV right there, but I'm gonna leave everything off right now. Well, I ain't even turning on none of the lights. Might just turn on the lights. You can't even see it though, so they turn on a little bit. I must turn that off. All right, man. We just took a quick cruise, man, around the neighborhood. About 3 different neighborhoods, man. I just wanted to make sure my car, everything was driving good. Supposed to rain today, so maybe take another trip tomorrow. Probably hit the highway, man. Some old cruising footage is coming ASAP. No rocket. Noise though, y'all hear that? Stay tuned, man. It's the one and only Luther, man. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, all the above. Hold on real quick. Hold up. I'll tell y'all that without showing my face. So make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, all the above. Make sure you get on the giveaway.